Hey guys, welcome so much to this channel. So in this video I'll be showing you the impressive transformation of the Green Park bus terminus in Nairobi. This project is under the Nairobi Metropolitan Services, which is headed by Major General Badi. I believe most of you know that. The Nairobi Metropolitan Services came into being in 2020, early 2020. Major General Badi was appointed by President Uhuru Kenyatta, and in less than 1 year, there's a lot that is being done in the city of Nairobi. You can see I've posted a lot of videos about it. The streets have been changed. The city looks changed, compared to the previous times when we still had Governor Sonko in Nairobi. Right now, it looks much better. So in this video, I'll just be showing you the transformation of these park. Basically, I'll be showing you the progress since it started off until right now. By now, the park is in its final stages. A run test was done just a few weeks ago, and they were just trying to see how the matatus will be operating in this area, and it is quite a good park, a beautiful one, as you can see. So in this video, I'll just be showing you the progress since day one. I was in this place for the first time around 3 months ago. By that time, this park was still in its starting stages, although there were structures which were already built, but it was still in its very basic stages, starting stages. And by now, it's really improved. So I'm just going to show you the whole process, how it went, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like, comment, subscribe, and also share. So join me until the end and let's watch the video together.
Hello guys, this is Alfonso. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.